So welcome for today's class of Tally RP9. So here I will be teaching all how to delete a go on work in education mode first. So here I will be teaching you all how to delete a ledgers. If I am not showed you all how to delete a ledger in today's class, I will be showing you all how to delete a ledgers. So here let us go on Suresh Enterprises. I'll see if I have created also ledgers. Yeah, I have created ledgers. So I have created display. Go to display. Cash and this thing is there. That means I have not created ledgers in this company. So what I'll do, I'll go in one of the company. I'll see where I have created a ledger. Let us see Suraj and okay Raj Enterprises. Let us see. Wait, Raj Enterprises. Yes. So Suresh Enterprises I have not done. So here Suraj Enterprises will see. Okay, one of the company I'll shut, okay? Because both the companies are opening over here. So one of the company I have to shut. Yeah, so now we will see display. First I'll see, yeah, I have created as many as ledgers. So suppose if I want to, first let me create one more ledger over here. What I should create here? One of the ledger, you can tell me which one to create here. So if I create a ledger of salary, I will create a ledger salary one, okay, and by mistakenly I will put this under some random cash in hand, okay. Now I have created a wrong ledger. The group is wrong, okay, under wrong group. So if I want to delete the ledger, you go on alter. If you want to alter, you all can alter, but salary is there two times. So one of the salary you all can delete. So cash in hand is there. If you all want to delete, you all have to press Alt D and then S. So which key you all are supposed to press? Alt D. So to delete a ledger, you all have to press Alt D key. Okay. So thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If any doubts, queries, comment below. Okay.